Hi, I am Sri Prasad Gaur. I am a student of IIM Bodh Gaya. I recently had opportunity to work with the Kreative Kode on live consulting live project. During these live projects, I developed my marketing strategy and financial analysis for various clients. I also worked on the projects involving marketing entry strategies, customer segmentation, and competitive analysis. Utilizing tools like Excel, PowerBi, I derived actionable insights that contributed to the success of these projects. The practical exposure and the chance to apply theoretical knowledge to the real world scenarios were invaluable in this live project. These experiences have significantly enhanced my consulting skills and strategic thinking and data analysis capabilities. I highly recommend such a live project to anyone who is looking to gain hands-on experience and consulting expertise. Thank you, Kreative Kode, for giving me such an opportunity. Thank you.